Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. All right, everybody. So this morning I'm over here in Graham, North Carolina. I'm going to be taking you through a custom Heartland One. All right, so as you can see, this thing is an absolute beauty, from the Carolina blue siding to the black shutters there, the beautiful white lineals and white gutters and downspouts. Now, one really unique thing about today's video, I'm going to get up here nice and close so you can see, but this is a great example of the hardy plank siding, okay? So this is not vinyl siding, this is that hardy board siding. I would call it, always an option, I would call it an upgrade. And I would note, hey, vinyl siding is included. If you want to look into hardy boards, stone, or anything like that, you just let us know, and we'll go from there. So on this exterior, all the Heartland One plans are going to consist of an optional or built-on site front porch. So what that tells you as the buyer is that this front porch is fully custom. So it can be deeper, longer, different style, different finishes. They went with the white hardy plank siding up there in the gable, natural wood pickets and posts, along with that the natural treated lumber steps as well. You've seen all forms of vinyl wrapped pickets and posts, stonework, brickwork, you've seen it all. So this is another Heartland One. Like I said, it is 1,548 square feet. You're going to be walking the original version of the Heartland One today, which is 3-bed, 2-bath, 1 primary living room, and then 1 humongous side-loading utility room, okay? So I just walked through the front door. I'm greeted by this very large living space. For 1,500 square feet, this living room would just knock your socks off. Tons of space in here. Got that double window letting in that natural light. I would note today you are seeing the 8-foot included ceiling height. So this customer did not option in the 9-foot taller ceilings, which you can always do. Call it roughly $3,000 to do that. Okay. So right now I'm just kind of panning around the kitchen, showing you this really large island that you can pull bar stools up to. People really gravitate towards this little coffee bar area. You can just see it now, your Keurig set up, all that good stuff. Got your spot for your fridge. Let me talk about the appliances real quick. So the dishwasher is the only included appliance, okay? You would see a cost for the range and the fridge. So we will have those conversations. All of the islands are gonna have a big pot and pan drawer, dovetail construction cabinets, full extension, soft close. White is one of our included cabinet colors. That's our included hardware. A lot of your included options in this kitchen today. Okay. Included pendant lights. Now, one thing this customer did option in would be the 2-inch blinds. You can option those in for roughly $1,000 to any plan. Let's make a pit stop and look at that floor plan real quick. So this is what we're walking today. We're over in this area beside the range and in between the pantry. Got the master suite on this right side, the spare bedrooms, the big utility room there. And this is the Heartland One, 1,548 square feet, okay? Incredible walk-in pantry. All these Heartland plans have an incredible pantry. Nationwide Homes out of Martinsville, Virginia is the producer of this modular home. And then we, Carolina Custom Homes, are your builder on site. We're going to do everything from the well, septic, clearing, driveway, porches, and decks. Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington does provide that turnkey service from permitting to, like I said, cutting in driveways, building porches, decks. All right, so this is the master suite. Sorry, I got carried away there. Big double window, roughly a 15 by 13 bedroom in here, good sized bedroom. Big walk-in closet like I showed you there. This is the included bathroom layout with the Heartland series plans, okay? So you got the double sink, white frame mirrors, our included pendant lights, Got this window here on the side wall letting in natural light. You've got a humongous linen closet, and then you've got a 60-inch shower. This is not the standard 60-inch shower. This customer did add ceramic tile to it. Call that $1,000. You can run the ceramic all the way to the ceiling for another, call it $250, $300. They added the shampoo box, call that a $250 option. And they also added the 4-foot transom window. I'm gonna call that about $500, okay? So none of those things come with the 60-inch shower. What's kind of confusing is the bigger showers include the ceramic tile, include the rain head. It does not have to be added on. So those bigger showers do include a little bit more within the price of that upgraded larger shower, okay? Just remember that the crown molding needs to be optioned in. It's going to be extra, an upgrade in the Heartland series plan. You say, what does it look like without crown molding? There you go. A lot of people have kind of rolled without it and said they don't mind it, or prefer it without. They included 2-panel doors, included hardware. As you can see, and as I hope you've picked up on through the days, is we do start you with carpet in the bedrooms, luxury vinyl plank in the main spaces and wet areas, carpet in the bedrooms. Oh yeah, I want to talk about this real quick. So off of this dining, we know that this third door is optional. So you've got your utility room door there, and you've got your front door there. Those are our included front doors, okay? Or our included doors. This third door off the dining is always going to be optional. A lot of people gravitate towards the double door, but as you could probably guess, those double doors cost more than a single door like this. So if it comes down to it and something you want to look at, I would consider optioning in a single door off of the dining instead of that double door, just to save some money. So that's always a good option. There's a good visual for you. And there you go. Let's go down the hallway. I've got bath 2 to my right, tub shower combo. Very typical for your bath 2s, okay? All right, and then we've got bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. They're about the exact same size, so I'm just going to show you one today for the sake of time. And all of these Heartland plans are on our website. So when you go to our website, use the series filter, click Heartland. Make sure you press search. If you don't click search, nothing happens. So series tab, Heartland series, press search. Okay, now you're only looking at the Heartland series plans. All of these Heartland series plans have multiple variations. 3-bedroom options, 4-bedroom options, secondary den options. This is that incredible side-loading utility room. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of that side-loading utility room. Just going to make everyday life very easy. Got the driveway coming in there. Come up through the stairs. I've got my mud room. And then I enter into that main space. All right, guys, that's it for today. So we went through another Heartland One. Some high notes for today. The Heartland One is going to consist of an optional front porch. You can do what you want to, real big, real small, save it for later, whatever. You saw the 8-foot ceilings today. You did see the laminate Formica tops throughout today, no granite or quartz. So great for visual purposes there. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for all the subscriptions, all the likes. If you haven't subscribed, scroll down there, press subscribe, turn your notifications on so you don't miss any videos. We post Monday and Thursday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you guys for all your comments, and take care.